Hi everyone, here we are with our favorite clients, Antonia and Greg. Now, if Antonia looks a little familiar, it might be because you've seen her on the Tournament of Champions, Barbecue Brawl, and I can go on and on. If you think Greg looks familiar, it's probably because you saw him at the gym.
Or on the golf course.
Or on the golf course.
Yes.
So it's just been a pleasure working with you guys. Just a blessing. So what was your overall experience with Living Water like?
Going into a large project like this, where it was a complete demolition of the backyard that hadn't been done in over 25 years, from start to finish, like, you guys were amazing, like absolutely amazing. And not just because the outcome is so perfect, but it was like there was so much care into what it is that we wanted. Like, you really heard and were able to like adjust and create and actually walk us through it in a way, because I've never done any sort of like outdoor remodel, right?
Yeah,
it's the biggest project I've ever been a part of. Growing up, having been a part of a lot of construction, it's always been inside and have never really done anything on the outside. And everything that you guys did, from the drawings to the sort of...
You guys had the vision,
Yeah.
You know what we wanted, you were able to, show it to us from the beginning. You guys just knocked it right out of the park for us.
Yeah.
And everybody on your crew was amazing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Everybody was amazing.
Yeah.
We never felt like we were in this alone.
Yeah, and we were on more group chats with you guys than I think anyone else. Like,
And I remember the first day, Greg was a little stressed out.
So stressed.
It was nice to come by today and see the peace
It was
over
all
you.
worth it, right?
Yes, it was all worth it. So tell us, Greg, what was your favorite part, or is the favorite part of this project?
We spent a lot of time outside, and I think the best part is that we can look at every corner of the property, and there isn't anything that we missed.
Nice.
We feel like you guys covered it all for us, even from the color that we picked out. If there was a problem, you guys came and you took care of everything right away. So every part of this whole project was made easier because you guys just were great, and everyone that was here was great, and they were able to work with Fred and Gerardo.
Yeah.
So there was never anyone stepping on anybody's toes. And when everything was said and done, we couldn't have been happier.
Because we obviously like shot this for an HGTV show, right? We actually sort of got a situation where the producers were like, you have no drama, and you don't have enough drama at your house right now, because every contractor, subcontractor that you worked with did exactly what they said they were going to do in the time that they were going to do it. Do you know what I mean? And so really, I think the only drama that we were able to provide the show with was like the fact that we lived in the house during the construction, because every person, including yourselves, and you guys kicked off the project.
And the thing that I loved most about the project was your dad.
Oh my God.
So let's just plug Fred right now. You got to watch the show just to see Fred, because he is awesome.
Yeah.
He is.
And if you need anyone to work at your house, you know what I mean, and project manage, he's available.
But I want to give you a compliment too, because you came with the energy anytime that there was a problem, regardless of how much chaos or stress was going on. You just had the energy of like, I've been here before.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah,
When it's all done, this will be great.
Thank you.
And believe it or not, when we're able to kind of feed off that energy in those moments, you
calmed us down.
Yeah, calmed us down.
Calmed us down.
Even at the times, and it was like, okay, great.
What you guys had to do was also involving our neighbors, because it required a lot of disruption to the front of the house and moving concrete and mixing cement and trucks, and the etiquette and sort of thoughtfulness that every person that you brought into the house was with our neighbors. Was anyone who does, you know that, like anyone who does construction with neighbors and stuff like that.
That's so wonderful.
It was, trust me, you guys were the best.
One of our promises to our clients is that we treat your home as if it were our own.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Well, we got that feel.
Yeah.
We did.
10 out of 10 approved, 12 out of 12 approved Living Water for everything that you need to rebuild your house, any sort of outdoor anything.
That's
Will not
so
be
I know that was like
disappointed.
very broad. You would not be disappointed.
Wow. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
And I just have to say that Antonia is so nice, and she is just the real deal. And to know her is to love her.
Thank you.
And Greg too.
And Greg is nice too. Yes.
I grow on you.
Yes.
Thanks everyone. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Greg and
Thank you.
Antonia.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you,
Wow.
Living Water.
Appreciate you guys.